Welcome to our video on important considerations before replacing a leaking water heater. In this video, we will discuss the key factors to keep in mind when faced with a faulty water heater. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what to consider before making the decision to replace your water heater. The first important consideration is to identify the leakage in your water heater. Take a close look for any visible signs of water pooling around the base of the unit or any dampness on the surrounding floor or walls. This will give you a clue that the water heater is indeed leaking and needs attention. Once you have identified the leakage, the next step is to assess the severity of the problem. Is the leak minor and can be fixed with a simple repair, or is it a major leak that requires the entire water heater to be replaced? Understanding the severity will help you make an informed decision. Another crucial consideration is the age and condition of your water heater. If your water heater is nearing the end of its expected lifespan or is already showing signs of wear and tear, it might be more cost-effective to replace it rather than invest in frequent repairs. Energy efficiency is an important factor to consider when replacing a leaking water heater. Newer models are often more energy efficient, which means they can help you save on your utility bills in the long run. Look for energy-efficient options that meet your needs and budget. Don't forget to take into account the space availability for your new water heater. Measure the dimensions of the area where the old water heater is installed and ensure that the replacement unit will fit perfectly without any modifications. It's important to choose a water heater that suits your available space. Lastly, always consider professional installation when replacing a water heater. Water heaters involve complex electrical and plumbing connections, and it's crucial to have an experienced technician handle the installation process to ensure safety and proper functioning. To summarize, before replacing a leaking water heater, it's important to identify the leakage and assess its severity. Consider the age and condition of the water heater, prioritize energy efficiency, ensure space availability, and opt for professional installation. Taking these important considerations into account will help you make a well-informed decision and ensure a smooth and efficient replacement process.